Hello all. So today I just want to show you how you can move different clips to different parts of the video in Kdenlive. I use the effect called transform, so I started searching called trans in the effects thing. Show all video effects is where I usually work. And now I just click on the transform one, drag it down, then I go up here. Then yeah, it can go right there. And yeah, that's how you do it. So you see I'm gonna have to transform the other one too. Maybe let's just put that down again already. Oops. Oh, I want to work on this one now. Now I drag it down. Oh, honestly, I think that looks pretty darn good. Maybe we'll go back up. Awesome. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you tune in to my future videos.